Hello there, this is Richard, your friendly neighbourhood English teacher. Welcome to Simply Listen and Repeat. In today's video, we will look at 10 English sentences for ordering food. Also, stick around until the end to find out a common problem. Let's begin our listen and repeat sentences. Can I see the menu, please? I'd like to order the chicken salad, please. Could I have a glass of water? Do you have any vegetarian options? I'll have the spaghetti, please. Can I get this to go? Could you bring me the bill, please? I'm allergic to nuts. Does this have any? Can I try a sample of this? Everything was delicious, thank you. Now, here's a common problem. Many English learners say, I want the chicken salad. It's not wrong, but it can sound too direct or rude in a restaurant. Better options are these ones. Please repeat. I'd like the chicken salad, please. I'll have the chicken salad, please. Good. Try to use please and polite phrases to sound natural when ordering food in English. Anyway, great job today. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe. Also, feel free to check out our other videos here at Simply Listen and Repeat. This is Richard signing off. See you next time.